This is a request to do day 3 problems 15, 16, and 18. Okay, I've got 18 on a different video, and I'll just give you a link to that. So I'm doing problems 15 and 16 on this video. Alright, it says define a variable and write an inequality for each problem, then solve. So number 15, define a variable. 20 less than a number is more than twice the number. So you can just say let x be that number. Alright, and then 20 less than a number. So here, there's no is, right? Remember I warned you about that is thing. 20 less than a number. So because of that word combination less than, you have to switch the order. So I'm going to put the number first and then the minus 20. So it's going to be x minus 20. Now this one has the is more than, right? Remember in class we had talked about the difference between more than and is more than. So is more than is the greater than or equal to. I'm sorry, there's no equal to bar. Okay, so is more than twice the same number, So it's x again. So let's look at that again. So it says 20 less than a number. So the less than tells me I need to switch the order. So I'm going to put the number minus the 20. Is more than, so that's going to be greater than. Okay, is greater than. Twice the number. Twice is 2 times, and x is still the same number. Now let's solve this. So I'm going to move the x to the right. Okay, so I'm subtracting x from both sides. So that's negative 20 is greater than, so that's 2 minus 1, right? If you have confusion with that, you can put a 1 there. So it's 2 minus 1 is 1, so just 1x or just x. And that's okay for an answer. X is less than negative 20. I prefer the variable on the left, especially for inequalities. If this were an equation, if you left it as negative 20 equals x, that would be fine. But for the inequalities, you probably want to put the variable on the left. All right? Okay, so that's number 15. Let's look at number 16. Number 16 says 4 times, oh, okay, this is number 16. 4 times the sum of, so this is 4 times. Whenever you see words like sum of, you're going to need some parentheses if there's something going on outside of that sum. So this is 4 times the sum. So the sum of twice a number. So twice a number and negative 3. So you might think this should be plus negative 3. And you would be absolutely right. But 2x minus 3, same thing. So if you have this, 4 times 2x plus negative 3, that is perfectly alright. Right? In fact, that's literally what it says. But this is okay too. So let's go ahead with this one. Alright, 4 times the sum of twice a number and negative 3. So again, we're letting x be the number. Okay? I'm not picky about this stuff. If you left this out, I probably won't notice. Okay. Alright. Is less than. So there's that is again. Is less than. So it's the inequality symbol instead of the minus. Okay. 5.5 times the same number. So 5.5 times that same number. Okay. So let's go ahead and distribute. So it's 8x. I'm going to go ahead and make that a minus. So it's minus 12 less than 5.5x. Subtract the 8x from both sides. So that negative 12 is less than negative 2.5. I'm doing this in my head and hopefully I'm right. Now we're going to divide by negative 2.5. Negative 2.5. Ooh, this is not pretty. Alright, so I'm going to pull out the calculator. Oh no, everything's blocked on my computer. Ooh, that one. Alright. Clear that out. Negative 12 divided by negative 2.5 is 4.8. Let me double check my math from earlier. Yeah, alright. So this is going to be, I divided by negative 2.5. So the inequality changes direction, and I have a positive 2.5. So x is less than 2.5. Alright, that's the answer to 16. So that was 16. And this was 15. Okay, that's it. Why? I'm having so much problems with this software. Why is this not working? Hello? Please stop recording. Why isn't this